Push up. Ukhulula umqondo wakho wena. Uyaphi lempilo? Khulula umqondo wakho. Khulula. Imali ikhona. Imali yokubamba ikhona. Mara ithini imfundo? Ithini gym? Uyaphi ngaboni ya snacks? Khulula umqondo. Khulula.
Just want to show you how to treat your lady, the queen. Open doors for our queens, secure our queens. This woman works on my last nerve, the queen of complaints, the queen of unnecessary, but nevertheless, they remain the queen, my wife. And that's how you treat your ladies, gents.
Hello internet and welcome to Mzansi's Funniest Videos. My name is Davis Mokhomo. Please do like, comment, subscribe if you haven't subscribed.
Oh my friend, kodwa ndithenge ivoshi apha iright ngoku vele yakudubula yakhulula ivest yakhulula iskipa.
Bafethu, niyayazi indle pain. Ufika uvuke ngo4 ekseni. Ugeze. Uyishaya inform iphelele. Off kodwa. Wenzelani ukuthi ugela ahambe. Abafuni ukuhamba ekseni labantu lapha. Bafuna ukuhamba sebevuke bonke umakhelwane. Bayidlisa ithina.
Nahana. Celine Dion wahola 18,300,000 ranta for Pina E1. Less than 5 minutes performance. Boom! Utaikun. Marwena wasebeta your whole life. Mara, you never get close to that. Hey, look at your life, Wena. Waneso, look at your life.
Simon says you have your plate. Simon says keep your plate so. Yeah. Simon says turn it. Yeah, turn. Simon says wrap under. Simon says Simon says wrap. Face also. Simon says look in the camera. Okay. Nee man, wat is er gemaakt met face op? No man, dit was tak wat aanvang man. Wat? Mami aan die tore weggewas.
There was something in the
O mo fe veteranta o ga a lo ikutela paseka a tshwane le banna ba bang. A khutla ta o ifehle a se itsebi ibile a betshitse banana ka chinchi. Se banna
Isikhathi esiningi wena nomvula mangikhuluma nawe ukhuluma ngemali. Be careful ngingakublock.
Baby, when are these days ngathi uphuza kakhulu? Ngicela uyeke utshwala please.
Josephine, awungitshele kahle wena notshwala nilwelana ngoba mina mangiphuzile buthi ngiyeke wena.
Umzala, nangu umzala efone libaba mlingo.
Umzala.
Faka speaker.
Hello mzala.
Yeah, babe.
Hey
bo.
Mzala.
Yeah, babe. Awusangumzala manje. Hawu, awusho ukuthi umzala wakho lo?
Yini manje umbuzo ngophe konke ngani kwaphela ngithi mzala konke njani?
Hayi, mina bengathembi umzala ngazithinda dayami.
Lale ayibo. Yini manje bese yazongithatha nenkanyana.
Ubani isilima phakathi kwami nawe?
Umenelwazi.
Uba.
Awume bese please ngiyacela uma. Mzala, kwenze njani manje bese?
Mfazi inkanyama.
Kwenze njani bo? Kwenze kanjani? Yini nzalayo?
Khuluma wanamalimi manje.
Awukahle nolwazi.
Wanamalimi waqala wathi ukahle nolwazi.
Nolwazi yini manje?
Khuluma nomzala.
Mzala. please cela ungalokhu ukwenza ama-drama la ngihlezi nemama and futhi amazi umuntu uthi inkanyamba kanjani so uma lokhu wenza lobo baby wakho uzongichaza nenkanyamba amazi umuntu uthi unjani so ngiyakucela please ungayenzi into enzayo ukhona ini
ngicela ulethe lama ukuthi uyahluleka ngikhulume naye letha la ucingo ngikhulume naye letha ngikhulume naye
ngeke nto akunginyusela ivoice
ngicela ukhuluma naye
no unganginyusela
angizwe umzala wakho ngicela ubengelela kumzala ngizwe ukuthi bahambe kanjani ephasikeni ayithi umzala lo
yini manje
ayithi
umzala mzala please yazi kwenzela ngizokufonela ngichaze indaba le angithi bona miss call ngizokuchazela kahle sikwenzakalanga indaba esekhaya mzala
wachaza manje
ngiyacela okwamanje hayi ukuthi kanginwe mama hayi
kanyamba isho nkanyamba mina athi nginkanyamba mina
yabo lento uzayithatha serious
angithi nkanyamba
yabo lento yenzayo uzayithatha serious lokuthi baby so please cela uyeke ngiyacela
Okay, kan jy dis nou nie snaaks nie, maar jy wou my maar bring. Hoe vandag? Jy wou iets kyk vir. Wag.
My man. Almost 3/4 of a loaf.
I've been marking your essays and all of you are writing the same thing. My dog died and then I woke up, it was just a dream. My dog was right next to me. Someone in the family died and then I woke up, it's lies. There's no creativity.
Proof that when you grow, you become dumb. I have an equation here, bro. What is 100 minus 27? Use this formula. No one is getting this thing right, bro. No one is getting this thing right. Because, bro, when it comes to these things, you would borrow like something from here and then you get 10 minus 7, right? But there's 0 here. So that means you can't borrow here. You have to borrow here. Then we have 10, so last go 0 la. So basically that's 10 minus 7 and that gives you like 3. Then you have nothing here, so you have to borrow here. Then what do you borrow from here? Because now it's 0.
Nothing.
Refundisa kanjani ngansami math? Hlula imath grade 1.
Ijongo nejongo majongo. Mina wahlezi ngeinkosi yenu ngizohlala nginefaka.
Hayi ayikho nkosi amajongo eshutha ngefone ebheda kanje. Ngokuthenga nje ibluwanyana elihlala efrijini usuyinkosi yamajongo. Yabona nalelo fridge ofaka lelo blue lokhu efridge uthola uxubene nosu. Ayikho nkosi amajongo eshutha ngefone ekhathele kanje.
Guys, there's a brand new VW that's roaming around Pretoria. It's mine. And I bought it cash.
I don't understand the obsession ngokuthi ngamposta umuntu wakho kuzophela will end in tears. Ngaphela kuphelile ngiyamdelete ngiposta lo new one. Yini enzima kani? Kungaphela ngiyamdelete ngizoposta lo new one. How?
There's a flossy nosini helipication about that wedding dress.
Flossy. Very well, Flossy.
Flossy nosini helipication. Cheap, worthless.
Oh, cheap. Hey, do I not have so chill as well? Who took the low shots or the jana lady pizza? Come on.
What? That's so discombobulating. I can't.
Bobo? What is it? Bobo?
Bobo.
Discombobulating.
Oh. Ho salang he au si pelo hlatswa di pizza tseno le discom eno ya hao. Fa.
Pot scraper.
What you mama di mo diana o tshaba sekiri pot. O ntse ke pot scraper.
Look, you impaled me.
Pale.
Blood. You impaled me.
Oh, ko hlabi.
I need a band-aid. Why are you perpetuating this?
Pepper. I can say it's pepper kana me. Let it try.
It's perpetuating.
Waiting. Oh, waiting. I don't have tata ka tadi mana di pizza tea.
Why are you being so facetious? Oh, you're making fun of me.
I didn't know this fatleo. Facetious,
you know what? This is actually very serious to me because I don't like the way I'm being treated here. Okay? Why are you being so facetious?
You
know what? I'm just going to perambulate myself out of here.
Hona utata. Nna ke tla phama later here.
What's one to realize no kuri bophelo as an adult botlhoka society botlhoka society something to look forward to re ka September bo tlishetsa nna digo yes bophelo bo imane mara August o hola nna o tlhoka society guys. You can't be an adult wa tlhoka society wena salary no tsena ya tswa every year in and out a one go di o looking forward to yona wena re wa tsba kgwedi gore ka dithepa we ba tlishetsa nna bucket tsa a chale mayonnaise something to look forward to. Society is important.
So if you give a guy a number, they have a maximum of 3 days to plan your first date. You know, you have a maximum of 3 days to find out what I like, what I do not like, and then plan out something real cute that is in my interests, you know?
Ngeke nje sizwe ngawe wena xoxele ngesiphatho wena. Nento namahlenga samaboleka lofu. What do you think gives you the right to tell us how, where and when to play a game that is based on our premises and rules? Men are the prize when it comes to the marketplace. Let's not forget that. Men are more beneficial to women than women are to men. We need each other, but at different levels. Let's not forget that. What you're really doing is exposing your inadequacy to produce robust points about females and men in relationships. 3 days is not enough to do anything. 3 days is not enough to start a new hobby and gain a new understanding on a certain topic. 3 days is not enough to get a job.
Damn. Money is a problem, but I think respect comes first. And, you know, don't put a price tag on a relationship, man. You will win. Enjoy.